I'm so glad you could join me. You are on episode 26 and this one is pepper versus cayenne pepper. Yep, you heard, pepper versus cayenne pepper. This is a great episode because they both are fantastic and they both do different things where one is a bit more stronger than the other one. So this is cayenne pepper and it's made from the red cayenne peppers. And this one is ground pepper, which is from the peppercorns. I'll read you a little bit and then we'll talk a little bit. Everything is good in moderation. I have some food allergies and I follow the Eat Right for Your Blood Type diet. I find that cayenne pepper is more delicate on my stomach and I can process it much better than other people can, than pepper. And then you can watch my the episode that I've done on cacio e pepe. If you don't like the pepper, you can use cayenne pepper. So I've found that cayenne pepper is lighter on my stomach and it helps me to digest it better. It's not so heavy. It must be in the drying process because they're both above ground. The cayenne pepper comes from the red cayenne, which is dried and then compound and made into like that. And the black pepper is peppercorns and they too come from the plant and they all like little bells, you see them, and they're all green and then they take them off and they dry them in the sun and they go dark and they have their flavour in the actual peppercorn itself, where I think it's the peppercorn, the density and the flavour and everything is in that black pepper and it's pretty strong, where the cayenne pepper, it's from the red pepper, red cayenne, so it wouldn't have a lot of flavour to go into. It's all just dried up where they're compound, and I think that's what does a lot of damage with people with food allergies or food intolerances. And let me know if you find the difference. And I find that with pepper, it stays in my palate and it causes my sinuses to flare up. With the cayenne pepper, it's only just a palate. It doesn't go all the way down and I don't feel it like I'm digesting it, and it's not as strong as pepper. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. And you are listening to Carmela D'Amore on 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.